this morning was not great. You know, I had a couple missed shots.
So bad I deleted them.
Yeah, that. It was like one of them things where it's like, them things were just not flying. They were just running, and then we'd get them up somewhere, and then they'd all get up and fly back to where we were. So we kind of threw in the hat for a bit, and we decided to go take lunch. Ate way too much. I mean, way too much. But,
Thanksgiving.
you know, yeah. You gotta have them Thanksgiving leftovers and, you know, go in a little food coma, watch some ice fishing videos, and then, you know, get back after it. So here we are.
We got Pooh. We wrapped Pooh's cut up. We needed Pooh today. It was pretty bad without him out there.
Real.
And we grabbed Jake.
Running Jake out here today.
Jake and Pooh.
Jake and Pooh. Oh, that sounded like a rooster. Oh my gosh. Rooster coming at you. You get him? Nice job.
Good dog.
Bring it here, Pooh.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
There we go. Nice shot. Sweet. No! Hey! There's two of them.
Jake.
This is hilarious. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Next one that gets up, I'm shooting it. Of course, the last two are hens. Oh my gosh. That was insane. You just can't beat them when they do that, though. Pooh. Oh, man. Pooh, 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 Pooh. Oh, this is tough. You think that was Jake's bird? No, there he is. Oh, Jake. Whew. This is crazy. Yeah, dude, they're all going back over there. Yeah. There's gotta be a rooster in here. Oh yeah, that was nice. 10. I missed, dude. Oh no. Oh, darn it. Ah. Kill him. Nice shot, Owen. Kill him. Nice shot, Owen. I see him. I see him.
Good boy. Get him. Yeah, there's pieces of them right here. Who got a piece of them? Good boy.
Oh, there is.
Oh, get him, Pooh. Good. 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 Told you he was a runner. Come here, Pooh. Good dog. Good boy. My bird. Good boy. My bird.
Oh boy.
Rooster! Oh my God! Rooster! Ha! That was awesome! Good dog! Hey, no!
There, my bird, my bird, my bird, my bird. Jake.
Leave.
Ow! 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 Yeah, that was sweet, bro. That was so much fun. Point blank to the dome.
I couldn't shoot him.
Point blank to the dome. Sweet, I'll take that.
To be a clip.
Yeah, I actually clipped the crap out of him, dude.
That was.
This is where it was.
Okay.
Right here.
Shouldn't be there anymore.
No, it shouldn't. Yeah, caught a big old beaver right here, 63 pounds.
That's a giant.
Yeah, oh, dude, it was literally, it was like up to here on Graham. Uh-oh. You spin my head right round. Well,
Aren't you just so excited for tomorrow? It's gonna snow all day.
it's gonna be pretty awesome. Well, ended up with 3 today. We see.
We saw a lot.
It was just not our day. Them things were just not doing it for us, you know, so.
No, we got Pooh out here. He helped clean up. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. I'm super excited for tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's fun to get the boys out instead of having the girls. Girls are fine, but I think we might have to see the Pooh and Arrow Dream Team tomorrow. Might have to run into Walmart, get some more wraps for Pooh.
Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. This was a truly tremendous day. We probably seen 100 birds easily. They were also well over 100 yards away when they got up. So, yep, wild pheasants. I tell you what, they just really get a knick-knack in your brain. All right, peace out.